You are going to make your doubters wish that they believed in you. You are going to accumulate so much success, and for some of you, worldly success. Everything that you said you're going to do, you are going to do it on a grand scale. You have so much knowledge, so much spiritual knowledge, and so much spiritual backing. You have been working behind the scenes, gaining clarity, trying to unlearn certain thought patterns that kept you bounded, that kept you stuck. You know, you've gained a lot of clarity. You've done a lot of healing, a lot of shadow work. And you focused on yourself. You kept grounded. You stayed humble. You stayed aligned with your values and your truth. Truth in who you are. You're working on breaking free from limiting self-beliefs, stagnated thought patterns that keep you trapped and stuck. You know, you're removing yourself from people that try to keep you bounded to an old timeline that you have outgrown. You may have been around individuals that told you that you couldn't do something, you couldn't achieve anything. Maybe not in words, but in actions. People were trying to hide your potential from you. When you told these individuals about what you wanted to do, some may have tried to steer you off the wrong path, and some may have said, look, that's never going to happen. You know, you need this amount of money, or you need to do this, you need to do that. Forget about it. Work on something else. All these comments made you feel confused, made you feel stuck. And for some of you, you poured yourself even deeper into your creativity. You knew that you had an amazing talent that needs to be seen by the world. And all those blockages that were in your way are going to be removed. With your level of intelligence, you're going to go far. And people are going to be shocked. People are going to witness you receiving your blessings. These blessings could be certificates, medals, positions, titles. Some of you are going to run your own business. Some of you are going to become a boss, a CEO. It's going to be a long time coming. It's in your birthright to be in this position, in this leadership position. You're going to be walking away from certain people. You know, because you were around people that enjoyed wasting time, enjoyed wasting your time, steering you in the wrong direction. Unfortunately, you were around certain people that lacked direction of their own life. And because they lacked direction of their own life, they told you that you would never achieve your dreams. And when you do achieve your dreams, you will no longer be in alignment with these individuals, and they're going to feel left out in the cold. Because some of these individuals, they were in positions to help you, and they chose to block you. They chose to stagnate you, fearing your success. But when they see how abundant and successful you are, they are going to want an in your life. And the door will be slammed shut. Where you are going and where they are going are two different places. You see, you have been working behind the scenes, investing in yourself. Whilst these individuals put you down, laughed at your goals, went out there partying, wasting time, doing the most, you are working behind the scenes, working on yourself, working on your mental health, your physical health, your skills, your talents, researching, reading, exercising, meditating, whatever you could do to enhance your capabilities. Some may call it boring. But some may be in admiration of your discipline. And your discipline is going to pay off. Because you are destined for success. The level of success that you're going to gain will shock so many people. Some people are going to say, oh, I always knew they would do it. I always saw something in him. I always saw something in her. Or, wow, they really did do it, innit? Help me, please. You may hear some people say. They may not say it in those words, but you will know by their actions of them hovering around you, bombarding you with messages that they will want to in your success. And it's up to you. But Spirit will have other plans. Spirit will detach these energies away from you because they could actually affect your growth, which they had done before in the past. The level of success that you are going to achieve is going to even shock you. It's going to be unbelievable. Some of you may have said that you want to be a professor. You want to be a dancer, an entertainer. You want to have your own online shop, and you will do these things and you will be successful. You may want to become a famous author, illustrator, singer-songwriter, carpenter, whatever the case is. You're going to do it. And you're going to do it big. Meanwhile, those that doubted you will be watching you grow, watching you soar, feeling like they're on the outside looking in on what they doubted and what they didn't believe in. But you, my darling, are going to make people believe in magic. And you are going to make people believe in the impossible by simply believing in yourself and living your dream. Congratulations in advance.